Good morning, students. So today we are going to see how to draw the floral diagram. Okay, it's a very important question which you will be getting in your paper. So first you have to have a rule for drawing this floral diagram. So Solanaceae family, in order to draw the floral diagram, what you have to supposed to do. Okay. So first listen, you are supposed to draw 4 circles. So one outer wall, that is your calyx. Next to it, it is the corolla. Then you can find this is androecium and this one is gynoecium. Okay. So with the help of the compass, you can draw these 4 circles. After drawing these 4 circles, what you are supposed to do is that this flower, as you know, it is actinomorphic, isn't it? So it can be cut into 2 equal halves from any plane. So you choose the starting point. So this is the starting point. So 5, all they are pentamerous. So multiples of 5. 5 is the number. So here one point you are keeping. You are keeping here another point. Here another point. Then you are keeping here 1 point and here 1 point. So now you are having how many? 5 points, right? On the outer circles I am having how many points? 5 points. Next, inner to it, okay? It has to be opposite. Here you have kept it here, right? So directly just opposite to it in this side, in the inner circle, that is the corolla. Here you have to keep a point. Then you have to keep a point here. The center of this you have to keep a point. This center you are keeping a point, and this center you are keeping a point. Okay, so like that you have kept points. Now you know it is calyx as well as corolla. When you are seeing the estivation, it's valvate estivation, so they are not overlapping. So what you can do, you can just put a small what is that, this structure. Okay, so you are just marking it like this. Okay, somewhat like see, you are marking it on all the dots now. Okay, so after marking it at all the dots, what you are supposed to do is that now you are going to draw the calyx, that is the sepals and the petals. So 5 sepals, how you are going to draw? This one is already there, so you darken it, draw lightly first, then you darken it. Okay, thereafter you have to draw like this. Got it? So like that only. Here you touching, darkening it, and you're drawing like this. Use scale if you want. Okay, to be perfect. This is just to show how to draw it. Then what you have to do, you have to darken it. Okay, and you have to draw like this. Since I am holding the phone in one hand and doing it, it is becoming a bit difficult. You can do it more perfect. Okay, so this is the next one, and this is the last one. So this is done, right? So the calyx, that is the sepals, is over. Now we are moving on to the next. What is that? It is the petals, isn't it? So here also you are drawing the same way, but you are drawing it like this. Okay, 1, and you are touching the points. Okay, the C outer point you are touching, and you are drawing like this. 2, 3, 4, and this is your 5th one. So I have drawn valvate estivation, calyx as well as corolla is over. Okay, the first 2 whorls are over. Now the next whorl is the stamen. So I have drawn a circle here, isn't it? So the circle is present. So in the circle, the androecium, when you are seeing, it is 5 and it is epipetalus. Epipetalus means they are attached to that of the petals. So here they are attached to the petals. So what you have to draw? You have to draw a line, connecting line between the petals as well as the androecium. So next whorl, androecium, there should be a connecting line. Then you wipe off this, rub it off, this androecium. Okay, this circle you rub it off clearly. So when you're drawing, the circles has to be drawn in the beginning very lightly, okay, so that it's visible to you but not darkened, so that the diagram will look very neat. Okay, next what you have to draw? You have to draw it like this, the androecium. Okay, so this is the androecium. Got it? So how many androeciums I am drawing? I am drawing 5 androecium, just like this. Not 5 androecium, it's stamen. Androecium collectively. So 5 stamens I am drawing. Okay. So like this 5 stamens are done. And why I have drawn this line? Because it is Epipetalus. Means they are attached to that of the petals. The stamens are attached to that of the petals. Okay. And the gynoecium. Gynoecium is bicarpellary. So how many carpels are there? It is 2 carpels, isn't it? So what you have to do is that I have drawn one line. Along with that there are partitions. So the second row means just a connecting line I am drawing, 2 circles I am drawing in order to represent the gynoecium. And then what I am going to do is that I am going to divide it into 2 carpels. Okay, so how many carpels it is? It is 2 carpels I have divided. And then they are having many ovules. So you can draw many ovules. Just like this you can find means they are having many ovules, and this is bicarpellary. They are having 2 chambers, that is bilocular, and they are having what? Many ovules. So this is the structure of what? The gynoecium. Is that clear? So with this the floral diagram is over. The outer wall is the sepals, inner to it is the petals, androecium when you are drawing 5, epipetalus, gynoecium 2 side should be there. Okay, so 2 bilocular, and thereafter what you are drawing? You are drawing this, they are having many locules. Now moving on to the floral formula, you can find the floral formula how it is. This is representing actinomorphic. This one will represent what? Sorry, this is actinomorphic and this one is zygomorphic. So this is actinomorphic. If it is like this, means it is a female flower. If it is only like this, then it is a male flower. If both are present, then it is bisexual. So here it is bisexual. Okay. K is representing calyx. That is the sepals. How many? 5. And they are united. Okay. They are touching each other and they are unitedly present. Corolla also 5 and they are united. So in brackets means united. If I am just writing like this, it is Sepals. Okay. Epipetalus. If it is united, it is gamo. Understood? Androecium free and it is 5 in number. This structure is represented, it is epipetalus. The stem is attached to that of the petals. Okay, and the gynoecium is superior. If it is like this, it is inferior, and if it is like this, it is superior, and if it is drawn like this, then it is perigynous. That is neither inferior nor superior. And 2, how many are there? 2 carpels, bicarpellary, and they are fused. Okay. So this is how you have to draw the floral diagram, and I have told you it is very important. So please prepare how to draw this floral diagram. Today I want everyone to draw this floral diagram and send it to me. Okay. Thank you.